Hello and welcome once again to MG Tracy. For those of you who've been asking what is that in the background, that is a 1950s Allwyn, sort of a very early fruit machine that got around some of the laws in the UK at the time that made it not look like a gambling machine when in fact it was. If you want a video about that, then leave me a message below. Today, thanks to Temu for sending me something else I'm interested in, and that is this. This is an LCD electronic writing board, and this one is less than £2. It's $1.76 or around $2, and that's before some of the discount codes you can find in my description box below. Okay, let's have a look. If you've not seen an LCD writing tablet, they're really quite fun. They're used for everybody from magicians to toddlers. Let's have a go with this one. I'll show you what's in the box. I've not seen one of these before. This is an 8.5 inch one, but they are available in a number of sizes. This one comes with the battery built in. You'll find there are a few bits and some instructions, but it's very, very simple. So on the back here, you're going to find you've got the on-off. So we'll flip that to on. This comes with a battery, one of those little thin round batteries that's already in there. If you need to replace it, just slides out. You've got a pen. Now this is, if you're not seen before, this is really quite fun. So you can draw anything here or write any quick notes. Like that. But to clear it, you just click the button. So there are different colours in the background here, which are always the same. You're just really like scraping off the black if you like. Now if you did want to keep something, if you turn it off here, now anything you put here, any notes you made like that, because it's off, it's going to be there until you turn it on again. So yes, you can't print from this, but you've got to remember this is £1.76 or $2, and there's a whole host of ways that I have found this quite useful. And certainly with young toddlers as well, we've got a couple of these. It saves you a ton of wasted paper just by being able to do this. And of course to them, it's a lot more fun. They can practice their letters, or they can have a go at drawing. Anyway, links below. Hope you find this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That'll really help me. This is Paul from London. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.